Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss how to write a good answer by analyzing the copy of topper of OCS 2021, Sudev Kumar Prusty. Sudev was our mains test and discussion program student. We will analyze his answer copy. ताका answer copy हमें देखिबा केमिति गोटे भल आंसर लिखि हबो मेन एग्जाम रे. Before that, I am positive that you all have started your mains preparation because 3 मास अछि time waste न करिकी start your mains preparation. ठीक अछि. And we have launched our test and discussion program for this year mains examination. There are a good number of selections from our mains test and discussion program. In top 10, there are 5 students from exclusively from our test and discussion program. This year also, test and discussion program for main examination consists of GS all the four papers, chapter GS paper and essay. Okay. So if you want to enroll, you can check the description box below and get yourself enrolled by contacting us. So let us start. How to write a good answer? Okay. समस्ते पाठ पढ़ुचंती समस्ते परिश्रम भी करचंती बट एग्जाम हॉल रे सेतिकी स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम लिमिट भितरे गोटे आंसर को इफेक्टिवली लिखिबा ही मैटर करूची. ठीक अछि. आम पाखरे केते भी कंटेंट थाओ जदि हमें टाइम मैनेजमेंट न करि परिबा किंबा प्रॉपर टाइम स्लॉट रे प्रॉपर टाइम लिमिट रे हमें यदि कंटेंट ठीक न दे परिबा ताहले हम आंसर ठीक लागिबोनी हमको इवैल्यूएटर मार्क भी देबेनी. ठीक अछि. तो आमे एनालिसिस करिबा सुदेव कुमार पृष्टी जे रैंक 1 ओसीएस 2021 तांको आंसर कॉपी कि से केमती आंसर लिखिथिले एंड आमे सेथरो कोन सिखि परिबा. ऑल ऑफ यू जो माने कि आंसर राइटिंग पई टिके अप्रेंसिव होचंदी केमती आंसर लिखिबी. सो दिस इज फॉर यू. यू कैन गेट अ फेयर आइडिया कि ओटे आंसर हमको भल से केमती एग्जाम रे लिखिबार अछि. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. सो Sudev, our proud student, rank 1 OCS 2021. Okay, so he was our preliminary, mains and interview guidance student. Okay, so we will first see this question, then we will see the answer. Okay, see this question first. Question achi ki what are human rights? First question, what are human rights? Okay, then how far do you think the NHRC, National Human Rights Commission, has been able to fulfill its mandate in preserving these rights? Question bujilo. What are the human rights? How far do you think the National Human Rights Commission has been able to fulfill its mandate in preserving these rights? So it is basically question पचारिछि कि human rights कौन, what we mean by human rights, and तमे भावुच केते दूर नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट कमिशन, ओके, जातीय मानवाधिकार कमिशन, जातीय मानवाधिकार कमिशन जो मैंडेट अछि ह्यूमन राइट प्रिजर्व करिया पई, जातीय मानवाधिकार कमिशन सेथरे केते दूर सफल हेछि. ठीक अछि. ओके, सो वी विल डिस्कस. See, this is the answer. This is the answer written in 3rd February 2023. Okay, in the full length test. See, what are the human rights? First definition, what are the human rights? So the human right, Sudev has written, human rights are the inalienable rights. Human rights are the inalienable rights to any human being which are necessary for basic human existence in any region of the world. Very beautiful definition. Okay, it is human rights are the inalienable right. What do you mean by inalienable? Inalienable माने से राइट टा तम मानगोठु केही भी छड़े नहीं परिबेनी. से राइट टा तम मानटु अलगा नुह. ओके, से राइट टा गोटे ह्यूमन सहित ही सबल रहया दरकार. Inalienable right to any human being which are necessary for basic human existence. गोटे basic human existence पाई जहाँ राइट दरकार in any region of the world. जने व्यक्ति जो पार्ट रे थाउ ना कहीं की विश्वर ता पाई जो अधिकार दरकार गोटे बेसिक ह्यूमन एक्जिस्टेंस पाई ताको हम ह्यूमन राइट्स को. ठीक अछि. वेरी गुड. ओके, आपको जीवा. ओके, This includes civil and political rights, economic rights, gender equality, etc. Okay, so civil political right भी अच्छी, economic right भी अच्छी, and gender equality भी अच्छी. Okay, then next, global provisions. What are the global provisions concerning the human right? Global provisions. Okay, you know that there is a UN Convention on Human Right. Okay, there is a UN Convention of Human Right. Okay, United Nations. Then there article अच्छी, article 27 regarding political social rights. Okay, article 30 on children right. Okay, then there are also a convention on religious right. Okay, so all these are global provisions regarding the human rights. Okay, next এটা তো গলা গ্লোবাল প্রভিজন। দেখ নেক্সট টাইম আসিবা কি ইন্ডিয়া রে কোন প্রভিজন আছে। ওকে, provisions in India Human Right Protection Act, National Human Right Commission, okay, State Human Right Commission, NHRC, SHRC, then there are courts, okay, then you can have National Commission on Minorities, okay, also Minority Commission be Human Right Protection କରୁଛି, ଠିକ ଅଛି, National Commission on Women, National Commission of Scheduled Tribe, Scheduled Caste, okay, National Commission on Other Backward Classes, okay, then next National Commission on Protection of Children Right, very important, NCPCR, okay, NCPCR गोटे बहुत active commission, okay, so you should definitely mention National Commission on Protection on Children Rights, okay. So these address the first part of the question ki human right kon, all the provision kon achi detail pachara haini, but you have to write. Yes, if you write those things ki provision, even no provision kon achi, India re kon provision achi, definitely you will be getting more marks. Okay, thik achi. So ame eithuru kon dekhile ki the answers are written in point format. Okay, answer point format re lekha heichi. Okay, there is no unnecessary description. ठीक अछि, unnecessary description किछि नाही, ठीक अछि. Okay, let's come to second part of the question, then we will discuss the key takeaways from the answer. Okay, then next part of the question is NHRC, National Human Right Commission, जातीय मानवाधिकार आयोग. National Human Right Commission is the apex body for human rights. It is the apex body for human right for protection in India. Okay, ठीक अछि. Okay, then question पचाची, how far do you think the NHRC has been able to fulfill its mandate of protection of human rights? Okay, this is the question. ठीक अछि. So what are the function and success of NHRC? ठीक अछि. Function, it can put an inquiry into human right violation. Okay, human right violation को control करिया पई किंबा address करिया पई inquiry start करि परिबो NHRC. Okay, it can take suo motu cognizance, and suo motu action on any case which involves violation of human rights. Okay, it can visit jails, it act in the line of a civil court on principle of natural justice. Okay, civil court ro power achi. Then next, that it can ask for any document, कोनोसी गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट रू ह्यूमन राइट कमिशन कोनोसी भी डॉक्यूमेंट मागी पारिबो. ठीक अछि, इट कैन आस्क फॉर एनी डॉक्यूमेंट भी मागी पारिबो. ठीक अछि, इट कैन इंटरवीन इन सबजुडाइस मैटर्स, जदि किछि मैटर सबजुडाइस अछि ह्यूमन राइट कमिशन तांको तरफ इंटरवीन भी करि पारिबे. इट कैन रिकमेंड कंपेंसेशन टू विक्टिम्स, जदि जणे ह्यूमन राइट भायोलेशन रो शिकार हेची ताकू जदि कोनोसी भी लॉस हेची, ह्यूमन राइट कमिशन कैन डायरेक्ट opposite party to pay for compensation concerning that case of human right violation. Okay, ठीक अछि. Then next, the success ह्यूमन राइट कमिशन केते दूर, नेशनल जातीय मानवाधिकार आयोग केते दूर सफल हेइचंती. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, ब्रिंगिंग जस्टिस टू सेक्सुअल विक्टिम्स ऑफ बिहार ऑर्फनेज. ठीक अछि, गोटे एग्जांपल एठी he gave one example कि बिहार ऑर्फनेज रे सेक्सुअल विक्टिम जो मान थे से जस्टिस दिखाई ठीक अच्छे भोपाल गैस ट्रेजेडी विक्टिम तांको भी जस्टिस दिखाई सो ये कौन ये हाउ द रैंकर द टॉपर हाउ signifying the you can say elucidating the answer by giving examples which is a very important part of your answer that you have to elucidate you have to substantiate your answer by giving examples okay the first example bringing justice to sexual victims of Bihar orphanage Bhopal gas tragedy victims okay private sexual harassment of women that also being addressed by National Human Right Commission very important acid attack victims the Human Right Commission is very proactive to provide justice to victims of acid attack okay it can intervene in welfare scheme excluded victims matter जो welfare scheme रे मन कर कौन सी victim human right violation रो victim मन कर एक्सक्लूड ही कौन सी वेलफेयर मेजर रू ताहले भी ह्यूमन राइट कमिशन कैन इंटरवीन ठीक अच्छे सो हाउ ब्रोड इज द आंसर सो एग्जांपल भी दिया है कोटी ह्यूमन राइट कमिशन रो एरिया ऑफ एक्शन अच्छे ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर मेंशन्ड हियर ओके सो नेक्स्ट पेज को जीवा सी चैलेंजेस हाउ फार क्वेश्चन पचार हाउ फार remember the question पचारची how far okay so challenges what are the challenges human right commission ro power mostly in restricted to the nature of recommendation ता माने कोन human right commission recommendation करिवो in order to pay compensation or to take action okay there is no order for mandatory action तार किसी mandatory action रो किसी no order for mandatory action ठीक अछि सेमति किसी power नाही it can look into cases if filed within 6 months 6 मास भीतर जदि केस अछि ताहाले it can look into those cases it is not a constitutional body very important thing that human right commission is not a constitutional body it is not a constitutional body ठीक अछि so that is also one of the drawback ठीक अछि next point it has no own staffs okay सब staff माने हायर ही केसंत अलगा डिपार्टमेंट रो डेपुटेशन ए टाइप रो ठीक अछि निजर staff नांती no financial autonomy human right commission रो staff नांती no financial autonomy no jurisdiction in AFSPA areas. What do you mean by AFSPA? AFSPA, Armed Forces Special Power Act. AFSPA, Armed Forces Special Power Act. ठीक अछि तम मानक पई टास्क होउची ठीक अछि रीड अबाउट Armed Forces Special Power Act. ठीक अछि एटा कोटी अच्छी कोटी एबे लागी कहीं लगी आर्म फोर्सेस स्पेशल पावर एक्ट केते बड़े लगे रीड ऑल दिस थिंग्स दिस इज ए क्वेश्चन ठीक अच्छे बहुत इन प्रिलिमिनरी एंड मेन ठीक अच्छे आर्म फोर्सेस स्पेशल पावर एक्ट ओके तो आर्म फोर्सेस स्पेशल पावर एक्ट एरिया रे ह्यूमन राइट कमिशन सेमती किसी जुरिस्डिक्शन नाही नो टाइम लिमिट फॉर एक्शन टेकन बाय द गवर्नमेंट जदि ह्यूमन राइट कमिशन गोटे रिकमेंडेशन कला कि सी एक केस रे ह्यूमन राइट वायोलेशन हेची गवर्नमेंट को लिखिला कि यू टेक एक्शन ठीक अछि बट देयर इज नो टाइम लिमिट प्रेस्क्राइब्ड फॉर गवर्नमेंट टू टेक एक्शन ऑन द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट कमिशन ठीक अछि so that is also one of the drawback there is no time limit for action taken by government on recommendation of NHRC. So what can be the solution? Yes, this is a very important part of the question that whenever you are being asked to give your opinion or you can say critical analysis, you can say how far you think, how far do you think, okay, what is your opinion regarding this? So all these things you have to give a pragmatic, futuristic, positive conclusion, or you can say solution oriented conclusion तमर हवा दरकार. ठीक अछि. So Sudev has beautifully written the solution. See the solution. Okay, see the solution. First, that it can be made a constitutional body. जोटा कहली कि constitutional body रो importance definitely more than the Election Commission of India. Constitutional body. So NHRC can be made a constitutional body. Okay, ठीक अछि. Appointment should be by a collegium. ठीक अछि. Appointment should be by a collegium. Collegium, you can say, not like the collegium you see in Supreme Court. Okay, the collegium can be made of taking persons of civil society, judiciary, executive, legislature, all these things. Okay, ठीक अछि. समझते मिसिकी आउरी माने you can say the process of appointment of, you can say, chairman of NHRC or members. Okay, it can be more representative. अधिका representative हमें करि परिबा. It can be made more representative. Okay, and private sector participation in the process of protection and preservation of human right should be encouraged. काहे कि ना as the participation, as the, you can say, contribution of private sector is growing to Indian economy, Indian political system, Indians the scenario of social justice in India. सबुद्रे जदि private sector participation नौचे, the same can be implemented, or the same can be replicated, or the same can be the you can say the competency of the private sector can be helpful in protection and preservation of human rights. It's also very good point. Okay, then next, APSPA should be included in its ambit. Okay, APSPA should be included in its ambit. Okay, and Forces Special Power Act should be included under the ambit of the National Human Rights Commission. Okay, so friends, आमे एथरो कोन जानिले, गोटे आंसर आमे कोन जानले. This is the answer of the topper of OCS 2021. So what we learned from it. Okay, आमे कोन जानले. First representation बहुत मैटर करे. ठीक अछि. Answer representation बहुत मैटर करे. Your answer should be crisp, concise, to the point. ठीक अछि. Next, substantiation is very important. Okay, you have to substantiate with examples. You have to substantiate with examples. ठीक अछि. And you saw how Sudev has written this answer. Okay, इटे कौन सी माने एमती नहीं कि आंसर गेंजी गेंजी लिखा है जने आराम रे पढ़ी परिबो. ठीक अछि. क्लैरिटी इज वेरी इंपोर्टेंट, बिकॉज जो माने पेपर चेक करछंती से मानको एटा दरकार कि आमे क्लियरली आंसर लिखो. ओके, ठीक अछि. We will discuss more answer copy of our toppers जो माने select ହେଇचंती टेस्ट सीरीज रो Synapse mains test and discussion program ro. We will discuss more answer copy so that you will all have a fair idea कि how to write a good answer. ठीक अछि. So thank you very much for your kind attention. If you want to enroll in the mains test and discussion program, check the link below and you get yourself enrolled. Thank you very much.